Christmas. It's what I'm starting to hear, the whispers reaching my ears of
Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I am Renee. I share all things home related. Now, I am at Avondale. I'm heading to All That Matters to check out what they have for the Christmas. So let's head on inside and see if they have anything new in store for this Christmas.
every face I've seen through the year. Now's the time.
Now, I'm going to scope around to see where they might have their Christmas products. I know normally they don't stock a wide variety of Christmas products, and as I say so, I see a young man here putting out some stuff that he said just came off the container. So you have these little small Christmas tree decor and stuff that you can get for like $240. This little headband looking one here is for $625. And they also have the headband in this type here. So as I say, there are a few little Christmas decoration that you can get here that you can use to decorate around the home. Above the Christmas decoration, they had these hats from like $580. They have some for $650 like this burgundy one here, and they have the red and white regular Santa hat that you can use. These are good to purchase for the children, so you can always come and get few of these for the children so that they can feel the Christmas. They have some simple decor pieces. They have a few tree toppers. They have this garland. It is not fully decorated either, so you can maybe purchase a few of the decorations and do a little DIY project and decorate it yourself. So when it comes to All That Matters, they are not really big on Christmas decoration, but one thing I can tell you and I will show you is their organization and home products that are perfect for gifts. This bow is really beautiful. $445 for it if it's in your color scheme, and they have them in this white background color as well. They have this tree topper. If you're working with a silver color scheme, you can get the tree topper here. And over this section, they have some ribbon, the balls. So it's some balls with some ribbon, like $550. And they have these type of decorative hats as well. They have these boots that you can use to hang on the tree. So if you have a baby or so, it's one way to represent a little baby feet or so. So these are a bit beautiful. However, they don't have a wide variety of colors. This is a roll gold color ball set for $1,120, and as I was saying again, they have a wide variety of products for your gift. So coming to All That Matters, it's a great place to get gift items. So your organization products, your pots and pans. I'm not going to share all of it today, but I'll just go and see a few stuff that I can share with you. Back to the Christmas decor here, they have a few ribbons for like $160 up, and as I say, they have some blue balls that you can get in a set like this one. So not really a wide variety like other places. Down below here, they have some lights. So they have these set of 50 lights that you can get for like $750, and all the prices I quote to you are plus tax. So these are some mini lights that you can get. They have them in 100s as well and 200. So this one here is $860, and this is more colored, and they have some in string lights. So they have a few variety of light that you can always come over and get here. So over this section here, I noticed that they had these vacuum sealed bags that you can get in a pack of 4 or pack of 3. These are great for storage of your comforters and bulky items. What it does is you put them in the bag and you vacuum seal it, and it gets flat, so you can easily store it like under your bed or on your closet or somewhere that you will have the space. So I end up ending upstairs just to see what they have in their curtain and rug section. Normally at this section here they normally have some curtains on special, not seen any today, but what I noticed, they have some throw blanket for children, so you can always come and get your throw blanket here. They have them in Minnie Mouse, they have them in LOL, they have them in a few cartoon characters that are great for the children. They are wide on comforters and sheet set, and here is some mattress covers. If you're looking for some mattress covers, they have some here for you in full size, and they also have them in king size. For like 4,600 you can get a king size comforter mattress cover actually here. If you're searching for some cushions to decorate your living room or your bed, you can always get some cushions here, and if you already have cushion cover, they have some fillers here that you can purchase, pre-filled cushion for your cushion covers. When it comes to curtain, they always stock some nice blackout colors, so you can see that they have a wide variety of colors here that you can choose from, and they have them in different brands. So they have the dark room brand now, and the quality is not bad. Ensure when you're purchasing curtains you check the measurement and check your window size so that you're purchasing the right width and length. Heading back downstairs, they have some small gadgets that you might like for the kitchen. So when it comes to your spatula, your utensils and all, they got it. But over this section, oh my, look at this wall art. This wall piece here, grateful. And they have some flower pots as well, but look at this one that says family. Family makes this house a home. That is beautiful. So you see they have a wide variety of stuff. These are great gifts that you can purchase for someone for the Christmas. Dream big, little one. This would be nice in a children room or a baby room. So you can see the ideas are coming in, so you don't have to think your regular kettle and stuff for gift ideas. These are great gift ideas you can give someone as well. So ensure you come on to All That Matters. Tell them Renzystyle sent you anytime you're heading over. This would be a great gift for a little girl. It has a little watch, a pen, a little book, or a diary. This would be a great gift for a little girl. So you see they have toys and stuff as well for the children that you can come on and purchase the gifts. They have lamps as well, so if you're searching for a lamp or a pair of lamps, you can always get it here. And they also have these organizers and storage shelf, and up here they have these small set of container with 3 for like $250, and they have the larger type. These are great to organize different spaces in the home. If you have a little office area, it's great to organize your drawer. It's great to put in the kitchen. This one here is for 2,400 plus tax. So they are wide on organization. Come on over, check out their organization baskets. They have a wide variety of them. These are 1,200. These are like kitchen drawer organizers. They can use for different purpose. It doesn't have to use for the drawer. And this one is 1,200 as well. So you can see they have a wide variety of hanging organizers and drawer organizers, cabinet organizers, so you can always come over and check them out. They have these marble trays that you can always purchase, and they have cutting board, bathroom towel and tissue holders. So as you can see, anything for the home like that, they are good on organizing. I just want to take this time to tell you guys thank you for the support you're giving me. Each time I get the chance to tell you thank you, I am doing so. I am seeing the comments, I'm seeing the love. I see you guys telling me to keep going, and those comments are what help to keep me going actually. Back to the video again. You can get your bathroom soap containers 1,200, 2,000. It depends on the color scheme you're working with and what exactly you need here. So you can get your toothbrush holders, and they have these ones below that you can use in your refrigerator as well. So like these one here, you can get to you can purchase it to store like your jars and stuff in the fridge. You can purchase it to store your fruit, and they have different price range. So try come on over to All That Matters just to see the beautiful stuff that they have to organize your space, making it feeling beautiful, looking luxurious and all. Alright, back around this side again where the lamps were. I saw this one that is so beautiful, and I'm sharing again these the other storage bags. I looked at them before, but basically what I'm going to tell you is that All That Matters are having items here that you don't have to go on Amazon to purchase. So like this bag set here for 1,200, the price is not bad, because on Amazon you would have to purchase it and then you'd have to pay clearing fee and all. So the price here is really affordable for a pack of 3 or 4 bags. And I know that the price is more on Amazon, and also you'd have to pay the clearing fee. They have these tiered these round tables. They have them in large size. These are great to put beside your sofa and all. And back to the section out here, I'm all over, guys. They have these bottles that you can store different cereals. They have the oil bottles, 1,250, and they have the cereal containers. They have these other bottles that you can use for whatever purpose you wish to use it for. So as you can see, All That Matters store a wide variety of products. I just want to say thank you guys for the support again. And if you love this video, you will love the next video on screen. I am heading out now. See you on the next video.